What's good, Mogul fam? Sengibuyile nenye ibhenga bafethu. As much as I don't usually post manje videos because ngibe busy. Because it's not only about ukuthi umuntu wenze Forex, yabo. There are other things that umuntu azenzayo outside. So kahle kahle ngifuna ukutshengisa weekly forecast this week, and this week it's packed bafethu. Yabo nje, there are 4 events. Yabo, yokuqala out the interest rates, yesibili i-employment NZD, esithathu i-GBP, and then Friday obviously NFP, the biggest event of all events. Hopefully abantu ba ready, and yeah, kubalekile bafethu ukuthi siyazi le, this month I think azabe maningi kakhulu ama-events. Azabe maningi kakhulu, but azabe maningi kakhulu. Kodwa nje this week nje ilezi one, izobe ngo6:30. That's great. Then le isebusuku, then le isemini. The last one izobe isemini futhi nakhona, so which is NFP Friday. So abantu angihope ba ready, bafundile ama-account, and yeah, let's make money this week, guys. Let's make money. So anything engayisho nje, only risk what you're willing to lose, because we lose with markets. Not only that we win only, but we also lose. Yabo, siyaluza sometimes. So nje wena, you just have to make sure ukuthi i-strategy you practice it and you implement it. Yizo lento engishoyo. So nje ikanjalo lento, guys. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, and share it. Moguls fam. Peace.